pagpupugay sa mga bagong scholar ng bayan sa taon ng sentenaryo ng UP Manila. Being a centennial freshman, each one of you shall be burdened to keep the flame of academic excellence flickering. So humigit na 60,000 kumuha ng UPCAT noong isang taon, Agosto ng isang taon, kayo ay ang mapapalad na nag-qualify sa campus na may pinakamataas na cut-off, ang UP Manila. Sa makatuwid, you're the cream of the cream of the crop. Also, this is an attestation to your exemplary performance and achievements as a scholar of the country. Bilang mga scholar ng bayan, kayo ay may isang pangunahing responsibilidad. Ito ay maging mapagbatsyag at mapanuri sa inyong lipunang ginagawa. But being critical about it is not enough. As a student who is supported by the taxes of the people, it is also your duty to become relevant to the society in which you're living in. Ito ang function ng liberal arts education ng College of Arts and Sciences. Ang ganitong approach ay kinakailangan upang lalong maging mulat ang bawat isang miyembro ng lipunan sa mga suliranin ng mundo na ating ginagawa. No other university offers that social reality other than our country's national university, the University of the Philippines. The different campuses of the UP give different learning environments to their enlisted students. UP Los Baños has verdant trees and mountains that give satisfaction to all the nature lovers. Diliman, for that matter, is a secluded campus, hence the term Diliman Republic. Being in UP Manila also gives you an advantage. You're living your everyday college life and in a real life setting. Araw-araw, makakasalumuha mo ang tunay na masang Pilipino. Sinama ng Yossi sa may brick wall, ang katutubong manghuhulang huli na si Geno Gilintuan, ang mga pasyenteng pumipila sa ating outpatient department ng Philippine General Hospital, ang mga babae ng Red Light District ng Mabini, ang mga bakla sa Malate. Now, your quest for excellence has begun. It's high time for you to ponder the things you could do which will serve as your meaningful contributions to the vicissitudes of life. Ako po si Reynaldo Imperial, ang inyong dekano. Muli naway maging tunay at ganap na scholar ng bayan ang bawat isa sa inyo. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang lipunang Pilipino.